Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best car dusters. If you are tired of dust and debris taking away from your vehicle shine, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll explore top-rated car dusters that will keep your white looking pristine with minimal effort. Whether you are a car enthusiast or simply want to maintain your vehicle's cleanliness, we have got you covered. Stick around to discover the ultimate solution for a showroom-worthy finish. At the first position of our list, we have BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Engineered for convenience and power, this handheld vacuum boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, making it easy to maneuver around tight spaces and reach every corner of your home or car interior. Equipped with advanced features including cyclonic action and a powerful lithium-ion battery, the dustbuster AdvancedClean delivers exceptional suction performance, effortlessly capturing dust, dirt, and debris with every pass. Say goodbye to pesky crumbs, pet hair, and allergens as this vacuum ensures a thorough clean, leaving your surfaces spotless and fresh. Built to last, the dustbuster AdvancedClean is designed with durability in mind, featuring a rugged construction that withstands daily use and ensures long-lasting performance. Plus, its easy to clean dirt bowl and washable filter make maintenance a breeze, saving you time and hassle. With its affordable price point, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean offers incredible value for money, providing professional-grade cleaning power at a fraction of the cost. Invest in the dustbuster AdvancedClean today and experience the convenience and efficiency of a top-tier handheld vacuum that delivers results you can trust. At number 2, we have the original California car duster detailing kit with plastic handle, the ultimate solution for maintaining your vehicle's showroom shine with ease. The iconic detailing kit combines innovative design, superior materials, and unbeatable effectiveness to keep your car looking its best. The original California car duster features a unique blend of cotton strands treated with paraffin wax, creating a powerful static charge that attracts and lifts dust and dirt particles from your car surfaces without scratching. Its ergonomic plastic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for effortless and precise cleaning. Experience unmatched effectiveness with the original California car duster. Its patented design ensures a streak-free finish, leaving your vehicle looking spotless and polished in minutes. Plus, its compact size makes it ideal for quick touch-ups between washes or detailing sessions. Built for durability, this detailing kit is made from high-quality materials that withstands the vices of regular use. Its plastic handle and soft cotton strands are designed to last, ensuring long-lasting performance and value. Despite its professional-grade quality, the original California car duster detailing kit is affordably priced, offering exceptional value for its effectiveness and durability. Upgrade your car care routine with this iconic detailing kit and enjoy a pristine, showroom-worthy finish with every use. Next up, at number 3, we have the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-ion Cordless Hand Vacuum. This vacuum is designed to tackle pet messes with ease while providing versatile cleaning for your entire home. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, allowing you to reach every nook and cranny effortlessly. Equipped with a powerful lithium-ion battery, this hand vacuum delivers consistent suction power for effective cleaning on various surfaces, from carpets to upholstery and hardwood floors. Say goodbye to stubborn pet hair, dander, and debris as the specialized motorized brush removes embedded dirt with precision. Built to withstand the demands of pet owners, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is engineered for durability, ensuring long-lasting performance even in high-traffic areas. Its easy-to-empty dirt bin and washable filter simplify maintenance, keeping your vacuum in top condition for years to come. Priced competitively, the Pet Hair Eraser offers exceptional value for its features, making it an affordable yet reliable solution for pet owners and households alike. Invest in the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-ion Cordless Hand Vacuum today and experience the convenience of hassle-free cleaning tailored to meet the unique challenges of pet ownership. The number 4 position is held by ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner 2.0, your ultimate solution for maintaining a spotless interior on the go. Crafted with a sleek and compact design, this vacuum fits perfectly in your car's storage space, ready to tackle messes whenever needed. Featuring a powerful 106-watt motor and strong suction capabilities, the Car Vacuum Cleaner 2.0 effectively lifts dirt, crumbs, and debris from every surface, leaving your vehicle looking and feeling fresh. Its versatile attachments ensure thorough cleaning in hard-to-reach areas like between seats and under car mats. Built for durability, this vacuum is constructed with high-quality materials to withstand the vices of regular use. The durable HEPA filter captures even the smallest particles, promoting cleaner air quality inside your car. Priced competitively, the Car Vacuum Cleaner 2.0 offers exceptional value for its performance and convenience. With its affordable price point, you get professional-grade cleaning power without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to messy car interiors and hello to a pristine driving experience with the ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner 2.0. The number 5 position is dominated by KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner, your compact yet powerful solution for keeping your vehicle pristine on the go. Designed with convenience in mind, its lightweight and ergonomic build ensure comfortable handling while efficiently eliminating dirt, debris, and crumbs from every corner of your car. Powered by a robust motor, this vacuum delivers strong suction performance, effortlessly lifting pet hair, dust and food particles from upholstery, carpets, and hard-to-reach areas. Its versatile attachments make cleaning a breeze, allowing you to achieve a thorough and detailed clean with ease. Built to last, the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner is crafted from durable materials, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. With its washable HEPA filter, maintenance is simple, promoting cleaner air quality inside your vehicle. Offering exceptional value for its features, this handheld vacuum provides professional-grade cleaning power at an affordable price point. Say goodbye to messy car interiors and hello to a fresh driving experience with the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. Invest today and enjoy the convenience and efficiency of hassle-free cleaning wherever your travels take you. Next up at number 6, we have Koblenz WD 2-liter portable wet dry vacuum, your go-to solution for versatile cleaning tasks at home or on the job. Designed for convenience and performance, this compact vacuum boasts a sturdy and portable design, making it ideal for tackling wet and dry messes with ease. Equipped with a powerful motor, the WD 2-liter delivers strong suction capabilities, effortlessly lifting liquids, dust, dirt, and debris from various surfaces. Whether you are cleaning up spills in the kitchen, clearing out the garage, or maintaining your car interior, this vacuum gets the job done efficiently. Built to withstand demanding cleaning tasks, the Koblenz WD 2-liter is crafted from durable materials, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. Its lightweight design and carrying handle make it easy to transport from room to room or take on the go. Priced competitively, this wet dry vacuum offers exceptional value for its features and performance. With its affordable price point, you get professional-grade cleaning power without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to messy spills and hello to a cleaner, more organized space with the Koblenz WD 2-liter portable wet dry vacuum. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have Shark WV201 WANDVAC Handheld Vacuum, your lightweight yet powerful cleaning companion for quick pickups and on-the-go messes. Crafted with a sleek and ergonomic design, this handheld vacuum exudes style while delivering exceptional performance. Equipped with a high-speed brushless motor, the WV201 offers impressive suction power, effortlessly capturing dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets, upholstery, and hard surfaces. Its tapered nozzle and easy empty dust cup ensures efficient cleaning and hassle-free maintenance. Built for durability, the Shark WANDVAC is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance even with frequent use. Its lithium-ion battery provides extended runtime for continuous cleaning sessions without interruption. Priced competitively, the Shark WV201 WANDVAC offers outstanding value for its features and performance. With its affordable price point, you get professional-grade cleaning power without compromising on quality. Say goodbye to bulky vacuums and hello to the convenience of handheld cleaning with the Shark WANDVAC. Thanks for watching our guide on the best car dusters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips and reviews. Share your favorite car duster in the comments below and stay tuned for our next video to keep your ride looking its best. Drive clean and stay shiny.